We're out camping with a pop-up camper, and I want to show you a little camp hack for setting up this manual Dometic awning off of our pop-up. Got two poles, one going into a ball and socket, and then the second one, typically you put straight down. As you can see here, there's no way for me to attach it to the ground with the concrete and the rocks here. This one specifically, you can pull the cap off and it's got another ball and socket, but unfortunately our camper doesn't have another socket to put this into. So what I'm going to do, stick it right up here next to the telescoping pole. Out of the way, perfect for shade. The only problem is, as soon as one gust of wind comes up, this whole thing is going to pop out. So we need to make it tight. So get yourself a inexpensive ratchet strap. Just go around that pole, and then just come straight to the frame. Then tighten this up. And once you get this done on both sides, it's rock solid. Not going to be blown up by the wind, and there's no tripping hazard. If you want, throw a flag or two on here so people know not to run into it. That'll be a bad day. But if you're looking for an alternate way to set up your awning on your pop-up camper, give this a try.